Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Jira with GitLab. We'll be doing this directly from inside Jira, using the Atlassian Marketplace to find and install the GitLab integration. This process is straightforward, and once the app is installed, you can continue with the on-screen setup to complete the connection between both platforms. To begin, open Jira and make sure you're on the default dashboard. This is your starting point and the place where you can access the main navigation options needed for the setup. If your screen looks slightly different, that's normal, since layouts can vary a little depending on your Jira configuration, but the key menu items should still be available. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation area and click on Apps. This section is where Jira lets you manage and discover tools that extend its functionality. Since GitLab connects through an app, this is the correct place to start. After opening the Apps area, click on Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Marketplace view, where you can browse integrations and add-ons available for Jira. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds, especially if you're working in a larger workspace or a slower browser session. Once you're in the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type GitLab. Searching by name helps narrow the list quickly so you can find the correct integration without scrolling through unrelated results. Be sure to enter the name clearly so the right app appears in the results. When the search results appear, click on GitLab for Jira Cloud. This is the app you'll use to connect the two services. Before selecting it, it can be helpful to quickly confirm the app name matches exactly, especially if you see several GitLab-related options in the list. Next, click Get It Now, and then follow the on-screen procedure. Jira and Atlassian may guide you through a few confirmation screens during installation, and those prompts are part of the normal setup process. Just continue through each screen carefully, reviewing any permissions or connection details as you go. Once that installation flow is complete, the integration will be added to your Jira environment, and you'll be ready to proceed with the connection steps shown by the app itself. That's it for this walkthrough on how to connect Jira with GitLab. Follow each prompt carefully during installation, and you should have the integration in place without much trouble.